Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 1.3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down, select security over here and go into screen lock. Pick one of the lock methods, swipe pattern, pin or password and tap on the chosen one. Then you need to enter it and choose next at the bottom right corner. Now repeat it and tap on confirm. Then you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications by clicking on one of those options. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and choose done. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. Come on. I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!